Feed the Woozle is a cooperative game from Peaceable Kingdom. The Woozle is hungry, and it needs you to feed him 12 silly snacks from your spoons to win the game. Set up the Woozle exactly one hop, skip, and jump away. For level 1, take turns rolling the die and put that number of silly snacks, like chocolate-covered flies and hairy pickles, on the spoon. Walk to the Woozle without dropping the snacks and feed it with your spoon. Yummy! For every snack you feed the Woozle, take a yummy card to keep track of it. If you don't get to 12, that's all right. Pick up the food cards and try again. Level 2 adds a spinner. The first player rolls the die and puts that number of silly snacks on their spoon. Then spin the spinner, hold your spoon of food, and move the way the spinner says to feed the Woozle. Level 3 is the ultimate challenge. Before you go to feed the Woozle, put on a blindfold. Listen to the other players and try to feed the Woozle by following their directions. Just don't let the Woozle go hungry.
Yummy!
Find Feed the Woozle at your neighborhood toy store or online today.